Think managing your own investment saves money? In 2025, the biggest costs aren't the fees you avoid, they're the ones you don't see coming. Running a business, raising your family, staying ahead in your career. High-achieving investors already juggle enough. And yet, many still DIY their portfolios, thinking they're dodging the advisor fee. But here's the truth. Hidden costs have multiplied. First, algorithmic overconfidence. Robo-advisors and AI tools promise low-cost, data-driven decisions. But they're only as good as the data you feed them, and markets change faster than algorithms can adjust. Second, legislative whiplash. Secure Act 2.0 rule changes, shifting SALT deduction caps, crypto regulation updates. It's a full-time job just to keep up with this stuff. Third, opportunity costs. Every hour you spend rebalancing, tax planning, or debugging a smart portfolio is an hour you spent not growing your business or enjoying your life with your family. To frame it simply, it all comes down to TIDE: time, interest, discipline, and expertise. So time. Legislation moves fast, and missing an update can cost you. Interest. Tech tools are tempting, I know, but they don't know your family's unique goals. Discipline. This is tough. In a noisy market, reacting too fast or not at all may have a drag on your returns. And expertise. Today's portfolios involve tax law, cybersecurity, estate planning. You're not just picking stocks. When your tide runs low, so does your portfolio's efficiency, performance, and peace of mind. So what's the bottom line? DIY investing has never been easier or more perilous. Before hidden costs erode your hard-earned capital, let's ask yourself, do you still have the time, interest, discipline, and expertise to go at it alone in 2025? Let's keep moving forward together.